Hey YouTube family, it's Denise aka Love for My Curls with another video. Today I thought I'd talk about the deep conditioner. So I'm kind of following a theme here as maybe you can notice. So I'm just going through my kind of wash day routine throughout all these videos. So I thought I'd talk about the deep conditioners. So in one of my previous videos I did actually mention that I don't deep condition as much as I used to. So I used to religiously deep condition every week, every wash time, whether that would be twice a week, once a week, whenever I'd wash my hair really. I leave on my deep conditioner from about, you know, half an hour to an hour. Sometimes I'd go a bit overboard, to be honest with you. And then I watched a video about somebody talking about their hair and deep conditioning, and actually that they've stopped deep conditioning because they actually didn't really see any negatives from just using a rinse out. So I thought to myself, actually let me do this test here, let me do this experiment and try it for myself. And actually I've not seen much of a difference. My hair still feels good, it feels moisturized, it feels strong. I tend to obviously go towards the rinse out conditioners that I feel work best, but I do like my rinse outs, to be honest with you now. But I do still deep condition now and again, and when I do, these are the favorites that I tend to go for. I've tried loads of deep conditioners, so I can obviously go through that in another video, but for today I just want to talk about the top ones that I love using when I do deep condition. So the first one I've got here is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restored Treatment Mask, which looks like this. And yeah, this is an OG for some people, for a lot of people actually, and I love it. I absolutely love this deep conditioner. It's really packs a punch when it comes to like the protein, but also the moisture as well. It's got a kind of an interesting color. It's kind of like a brown type of color, like a kind of a clay kind of color, I would say. And it smells like, for me, it smells like Play-Doh. It really smells like Play-Doh. So it's got a kind of unique smell to it. It's got shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar in it. So really some good ingredients in there. And you know, Shea Moisture is an OG for a lot of people anyway. And I love the fact that they've got a lot of natural ingredients in here. They've got coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil. So many different things in here. It says to leave on for about 10 to 15 minutes. So if I use this, and when I do use this, I tend to use it with my handheld steamer, which again I can show in another video, or I use my heat cap as well that I put in the microwave, or I just kind of leave it on for maybe a longer period of time, or maybe I might take a hot bath or shower, you know, get the steam going on in my hair to help it penetrate deeper into the hair. So no, it's a really good one. I definitely feel the strength. So when I use this, maybe after I've done like a chemical treatment, or maybe my hair is a bit heat damaged, my hair seems to kind of really spring back. It feels moisturized. So I love it. I'm not using it on a regular basis though, even if I was deep conditioning, because I don't feel like I need this all the time. But when I do, and I feel like my hair really needs that protein punch and it just needs a little bit of a, you know, pick me up, I definitely will go for this. So definitely one of my faves. The next one I've got here, again I mentioned it in another video, well, previous video of mine, is the Mielle Organics Mongongo Oil Hydrating Conditioner, which looks like this. Yeah, and this is protein free actually, so anybody that is protein sensitive this would be a good choice for you. Again, oh, the smell. It just smells so fruity. It smells so nice. It just smells like something that I would love to just have as a hair perfume. If there was a hair perfume that smelled like this, I'd be happy. It smells so good. It's really rich. It's really moisturizing. It's got that kind of this color. Oh, it's kind of running out. I don't want it to go on my table. But no, it feels good. It's very smooth. It's one of those deep conditioners that when you put in your hair, if you've got knots or tangles, oh my gosh, melts away like butter. It is like butter. It feels good. It feels oh, it just feels like your hair just feels nice, really, really nice after this. It says to leave on for about 15 minutes. Obviously seems to be a bit of a theme here with the 15-minute mark. I would use like a steamer with this as well. Again, maybe take a hot bath, a hot shower, or use a heat cap, or just leave it on for a longer period of time, and it definitely will do the business. Definitely, it really adds a punch. And I like using this after I've done like a protein intense treatment. So again, I'll be talking about some of my protein treatments in another video, like my really intensive protein treatments. I mean, I then follow that protein treatment up with this, and yeah, this just brings back the moisture, because you know certain kind of intensive protein treatments can really make your hair feel a little bit hard and dry, because obviously it's adding that strength. So when you add this and you put in the moisture, oh my gosh, it's a winner. It's a good balance. So definitely one I recommend as well. The next one I have, which is debatable on YouTube, well, I seem to see it quite debatable actually, is the Aussie Moist 3-minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner, which looks like this. And it's quite funny because it does say it's a deep conditioner, but you can leave it on, well, it's a 3-minute deep conditioner, so really, really interesting. It's got avocado and Australian jojoba oil in it, jojoba oil, however you want to say it. So yeah, it's really, really good. Don't get me wrong, it hasn't got, well, I don't know. I'm not into the chemistry here, so I don't know what all these ingredients mean. But it's got a list of quite a few ingredients that I can't even pronounce. So yeah, so I'm not saying it's all bad because I don't understand these ingredients, but obviously some of these I don't recognize. But in terms of the slip, this is one of the ones that, again, and Aussie Moist has a really, really good way of just adding something in there that really adds the slip. I do have a feeling though it might be because, yeah, it's got dimethicone in it. So it's got dimethicone, obviously a silicone, which really is good for slip. So it really adds the slip. It does add the moisture for me, and it does actually work. It really does work. In terms of the, let me
squeeze it out here.
Yeah, so in terms of the, oh gosh, I squeezed that a little bit too much there. So in terms of the consistency, it's quite a little bit runny, semi-thick, not that thick to be honest with you. And yeah, it smells nice. It smells, again, fruity. Yeah, it smells fruity, which I really, really do like. So now I really, really do like this deep conditioner. I think it's really, really good. It really adds the moisture back into your hair. I use it as well on my daughter's hair. It works well for her hair. So yeah, another good one, to be honest with you, readily available. Another one that I like as well is the Mielle Organics. So again, Mielle seems to be, Mielle, sorry, seems to be a bit of a theme here, is the Babassu and Mint Deep Conditioner, which I think I might have mentioned in a previous video as well. And this one is really, really nice. This is one where you get the balance of both the protein and the moisture. So it's not too moisturizing, it's not too strengthening, so it's a good balance. And in terms of the smell, oh, it just smells minty and fresh. So all I can picture this as being is like just walking through a tree full of
mint, like a mint tree, mint plant, whatever.
It just smells so good. The consistency surprisingly is quite runny. So yeah, ooh, yeah, it's a little bit runny. So for me, I thought to myself, like, would it actually be moisturizing? Because when something's really runny, I do think to myself, actually, will it be too thin for my hair? Will my hair like it? But actually, my hair really did like it. It feels really, really nice. It feels very moisturizing. The smell is nice. It's very therapeutic for me as well. I get a bit of a tingle on my scalp. So no, it feels really, really good. And to be honest, I do feel that protein and moisture balance when I do use this. So another good one. A couple others that unfortunately I haven't got with me today, but I will insert a picture above, so one of them is the Miche Beauty Indulge Deep Conditioner, which I'll insert here. And this is a deep conditioner that is a favorite of many on YouTube, and the person that obviously created it is Michelle. Love her products, absolutely love her products. The conditioner just smells like cupcakes. It smells like, you know, when you've just made some fresh cupcakes, you start decorating it, just that smell of like buttercream. Oh, it just smells really, really, really nice. Like that for me is just like, all I can say is, oh, when I use that deep conditioner. And the slip is amazing, the moisture is there. So again, that's another protein free treatment that you can use after really an intense protein treatment, or just to add that really essential hydrating properties. Really, really nice. It's got some good ingredients in it as well, really lovely. It's got honey in it. I love it, absolutely love that deep conditioner. So yeah, another favorite of mine. Another one that I haven't got as well, unfortunately, is the Shea Moisture. I always forget the full name because it is a bit of a long name, guys. Is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Maphora Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. Oh, that was a bit of a mouthful. So I'm just going to insert a picture up here. And this is a mask that again is so moisturizing. Oh my god, it's so moisturizing. It smells beautiful. It smells like a perfume for me. It's really got some good ingredients in it as well, like with the Manuka honey. Really, really, really nice. It's got shea butter in it. Oh, it's just lovely. It's a lovely one, and it's an OG for many people as well, to be honest with you. So these are like my top favorites really if I was going down the deep conditioning route. And the price points as well is fairly decent, I would say. I think the most expensive one is the Miche Beauty one, but again, that is definitely worth buying because it's a very, very, very good deep conditioner. It's got great ingredients in it. In terms of affordability, I would say the cheapest one is probably the Aussie Moist one, to be honest with you. But yeah, they're all good in my opinion. So yeah, definitely would recommend those products. So again, guys, I'm out of here. Love for my curls is leaving the building. But if you do have any questions, any comments for me, please include them below. Like, share and subscribe, you know, help a sister out here. And yeah, again, let me know if there's any particular videos that you would like me to film for you guys and gals. And we'll chat soon. All right, all the best. Take care. Bye.